Hello everyone, this is Yogita and you're watching English Finishing School. So this cue card, an occasion when many people were smiling. Trust me, when I saw this cue card, I also smiled because this was quite an interesting topic to talk about, and I'm sure guys that after watching this video, you're also going to smile because one thing, you're getting a lot of ideas for your upcoming exam, and the second thing that you will remember an occasion in your life when you saw many people smiling. So this is a promise that you are going to smile after watching this video. So watch it till the end. At the end of the video, we'll discuss a model answer. So let us proceed without wasting much of the time. Describe an occasion when many people were smiling. So basically आपको बताना क्या है कि ऐसा मौका आपकी लाइफ में जब बहुत सारे लोग हंस रहे थे. हंसना एक बहुत नेचुरल चीज़ है, राइट? और वो कब हुआ? व्हेन इट हैपेंड. ऑफ कोर्स आपको बताना है वो किस टाइम आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी चीज़ हुई और आप किसके साथ थे, हु यू वर विद, एंड व्हाट हैपन मीन्स ऐसा क्या हुआ जिसकी वजह से लोगों ने स्माइल किया, एंड एक्सप्लेन व्हाई मेनी पीपल वर स्माइलिंग. ऑफ कोर्स स्माइल का कोई ना कोई रीज़न होता है, तो आपको वो रीज़न बताना है कि क्या कारण था. तो चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं कुछ जर्नल आइडियाज़ के साथ और वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स जो इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं इस क्यू कार्ड को डेवलप करने के लिए. या मैं आपको बता दूं दैट हमने पहले भी बहुत सारे क्यू कार्ड्स रिकॉर्ड किए हैं. अगर आपने उनको नहीं देखा है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक्स दिए हुए हैं, आप उनको ज़रूर वॉच कीजिएगा बिकॉज दे आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फ्रॉम योर एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. So, how to develop journal idea for this cue card? We can start with journal statements like, human life is surrounded by many problems and challenges, but on the other hand, it's also beautiful with all its bounties and blessings. Happiness and sorrow. Sorrow means dukh. Victory and defeat, यानी कि जीत और हार. Day and night are just two sides of the coin. Two sides of the coin एक idiom है, यानी कि एक ही सिक्के के दो पहलू है. अगर ज़िंदगी में दुख है तो सुख भी है, जीत है तो हार भी है, दिन है तो रात भी है. So like this you can start with this kind of a statement, and then you can also say like, in this busy life we hardly get any leisure time to smile or laugh. Hearts are like locks. दिल तालों की तरह होते हैं, which can be opened with this beautiful key that is smile. A natural and sweet smile which directly comes from within. हमारे अंदर से वो आती है and becomes contagious like a virus. It spreads naturally and effortlessly among people. Now meaning of contagious is something that spreads quickly. बहुत जल्दी जो चीज़ फैलती है उसके लिए हम वर्ड इस्तेमाल करते हैं contagious. Effortlessly मतलब बिना किसी फोर्स के, बिना किसी कोशिश के वो फैल जाती है. So this is how you can develop your journal statements. Now let us learn some vocabulary words about it. Occasion, सबसे पहले उस occasion को याद करना है. Occasion के बहुत से synonyms हैं. Instance in life, incident in life, an episode in your life, an event which took place, or an occasion, yeah, like you have it in question. Then it was when, आप इसको phrase की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो कि ऐसा कब हुआ. You can start something like, it was when I was in 10th grade, it was when I went to Chandigarh, it was when I was traveling in a train, it was when I was attending an event or attending a wedding ceremony. So you can describe. Or it happened when, you can also use in a beginning phrase like this. It was on the occasion of, it was on account of. So these are the phrases which you can use to describe when it happened. Then made everyone smile. उस event का reaction क्या था? It made everyone smile. सबको हंसा दिया, सबको स्माइल करा दिया. People around could not stop smiling. आसपास के लोग अपनी स्माइल को रोक नहीं पाए. Natural and lovely smile was spread all around. बहुत नेचुरल स्माइल सब जगह फैल गई. The smile trapped everyone. उस हंसी ने सबको ट्रैप कर लिया and they were continuously smiling and they had to smile and it was beyond control. बिना कंट्रोल के वो स्माइल कर रहे थे and the reason for their smile was, और आप रीज़न स्पेसिफाई कीजिए क्या था. So this is how you can develop your notes like this. Then revitalizing and rejuvenating experience था, बहुत fresh experience था सबके लिए. It was revitalizing, जो आपको vitalize करता है, अंदर से नई जान पैदा करता है. आप ज़िंदगी में कितनी स्ट्रेस झेलते हो और कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस जो आपको फ्रेश कर दे, that is revitalizing, and the same meaning is of rejuvenating. लाइवली एंड एजाइल, लाइवली एनवायरनमेंट होता है, आसपास क्रिएट हो जाता है आपके, बिल्कुल आपको लगता है जान आ गई ज़िंदगी में। सो इस तरह का इन्वायरनमेंट आपस क्रिएट हो गया उस स्माइल की वजह से। चैरिश, और आज भी जब आप इस सीन को याद करते हो, यू फील काम, यू फील सरीन, यू रेलिश दैट एक्सपीरियंस, यू चैरिश दैट एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब आपको आज भी मज़ा आता है उसको याद करके। सो यू कैन यूज़ दीज वर्ड्स। देन pristine is also a word that means is as fresh and new. So for this you will use the word pristine. Elated means very happy. I feel very happy when I recall that experience. Relaxed and overwhelmed. These are the words you can use to still remembering your experience and feelings. Then remember, recall के लिए क्या क्या synonyms आप use कर सकते हो? When I go back to the memory line, और लेन भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। When I have the flashback of those past days and when I revisualize those days, so ये आप बात कर सकते हो कि मेरी क्या फीलिंग्स है जब मैं उन दिनों को दोबारा से याद करता हूँ। तो अभी बिना टाइम वेस्ट करते हुए हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसका मॉडल आंसर, विच इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू। सो लेट्स सी। Human life is surrounded by many problems. But on the other hand, it's also beautiful with all its bounties and blessings. Bounties and blessings has been together used, जो आप वरदान के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हो। Happiness and sorrow, victory and defeat, day and night are just two sides of the coin. In the modern busy life, we hardly get any leisure time to smile or laugh. I believe that hearts are like locks which can be opened with this beautiful key that is smile. A natural and sweet smile directly comes from within and becomes so contagious like a virus that it spreads naturally and effortlessly among people. I can recall one such instance in my life which is as fresh as a daisy. This is an idiom जो बिल्कुल fresh रहता है, new or fresh, always, even today. It was when I attended my cousin's wedding at Delhi 2 years ago. My whole family, our relatives, my cousins were there and we were having a pleasant time together. On the ceremony of musical evening, I was given the opportunity to anchor the whole show by my maternal uncle. I made the whole plan of the evening ceremony with my cousins and we had to bring each couple, despite the age factor, on the stage for a dance on their favorite numbers. It was awfully funny to see my maternal grandparents, who are basically quite reserved and serious in nature, dancing on the note of a popular Punjabi song sung by Jasmine Sandals. They made such funny moves that made everyone smile without force. The atmosphere around became too lively and joyful to put in words. Whenever I have a flashback of that scene, I can't stop myself smiling and always cherish that experience. I truly believe that such lively and amusing experiences release all your stress, and one should always spare time for such special moments and keep smiling to get rid of worries, problems and undue burdens of life. So that's all about this cue card, and I hope you definitely smile looking and remembering your experience in life. So just develop your cue card on these ideas. Keep watching our videos and do subscribe our channel for more of such updates. Thank you.